So I just got this here from the Moby Sign Company. It says that here somewhere. Oh, right there under my hand. Yes, and well, these are the people who made these lovely weathered vinyl stickers, which I have in my Proton pack, and I really have to post a review of this on Etsy. But well, let's have a look what this could possibly be. Okay, let's have a look here. Yeah, thank you for your business. Of course, delayed, but understandably so. Do not bend, and they didn't. I almost did, so that's on me. And here we go. Spirit accessories, trap goggles, and walkie. And, well, Proton pack, of course. Oh, did I ruin the sticker? Not quite. Okay. And it's... Wonder how this angle's gonna work. Whoops, I accidentally hit stop there. Nothing was lost. Okay. Let me make sure this doesn't have my address on it because, well, I don't know, people are protesting a lot of ridiculous stuff these days. You know, it just occurs to me I didn't really need to scribble out my name. Okay, free sticker. We do not own the rights to art. Find artists on Dribble, Behance. Okay, I don't think I've heard of that one before. Deviant Art. And let's see here. Thank you for your repeat business. I greatly appreciate it. Keep on busting! Might have to turn the volume down for that bit. Oh no, it's showing what they are already. Oh no, so much for my... Yes, I'm probably going to put it in the title. But here it is. These are, well, these will be put on my Ruby's Ghost Trap once I can find one, once they're actually available, or quarantine's lifted or whatever. So, don't know if I'll use all of them. Like the doors might be unnecessary, but yeah, apparently the Spirit Trap does not have stickers, so we'll fix that. And of course I'll do a little paint touch up too. So yeah, now you can see what it is. Ooh, watch this turn out to be the thumbnail. You know, weathered, because I think the weathered look neat. You know. Is that all? Why don't you guys look before I do? Hello in there, rats. Nobody sent me a Christmas card today. Oh, wait, yeah, wrong franchise. Oh, did I mention they also have weathered ecto goggle stickers, which I might use, we'll see. And do I need to point out what the ones that say Motorola on them are? Don't know if I'll put those on or not. We'll see. Once again, only complaint, well, somewhat major, the most major thing I can say, which is still a nitpick, a guide as to where to put these would be good. And also a warning, hey, you stupid person, do not try to remove these with a heat gun. They're vinyl. Vinyl gets... You know, it's plastic and heat and, yeah. It should be phrased exactly like that. Yep.